Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, we've been able to install the VirtualBox. So the next thing I'll be doing, I'll be going to download the Windows Server 2022. So I'll just come here, window Server 2022, download. So it's right here, click on the one from Microsoft. Alright, so you see that it's in different language. So this is the one I need, ISO bits. So click on this and then it downloads. So this is 4.7 gig. It's going to take a while to download. I'm just going to go ahead and pause the video while this runs in the background. Alright, so it has finished downloading. So I'll come back to my virtual adding the server, Windows Server 2022. I'm going to be adding it here. I'll just name it ADDS. Okay. Alright, so image. Select it. If you can't find it here, you can go ahead and search for it. But I have it here, so I'll just click on that. Windows Server 2022. I want to set up this, so I uncheck it. I'll just increase this a little bit to 4196. Number of CPU 2, and I'll click on finish. And I'll power this on. So let's wait for it when it comes on. Okay. So let's hold on while it comes on. Okay, so we're going to click on next here and click on install now. And we want this the standard desktop experience. Click on next. We accept the agreements. Click on next. Upgrade. We want the custom. And do this. I'm just putting my password. Okay.